The importance of safety in overhead systems. Don't take chances. Your overhead garage door at home, or the powerful industrial systems at your workplace, are incredibly convenient, but they also contain significant hidden dangers. In this vital video, we're breaking down the importance of safety in overhead systems and why cutting corners is never an option. We'll cover understanding the immense power and weight of these systems, and the risks involved if components fail. The role of crucial safety components like photo eye sensors, auto reverse mechanisms, and emergency stop buttons.